Go to your browser. Type Tux Paint download on your search bar. Click first link named Download Tux Paint. Now click this link to download your Windows computer. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, then click 64-bit link. Your download is started. Wait until the download finishes. The download is finished. Click here to install it. Wait for the installation window to appear. Please select English from the language options. Click Next until the installation is complete. Please remember to select the Create Desktop icon checkbox during installation. Click Install button. Wait until the installation is complete. Now, untick all the options here before click Finish button. Now, you will see the icon on your desktop. Open Tux Paint by double-clicking the icon, or right-click the icon and choose Open. This is the Tux Paint interface window. Now you can start your drawing.